National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Bandera County, northwestern Bexar County, southwestern Kendall County, northeastern Medina County, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include San Antonio, Bernie, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Cross Mountain, Kronkoski State Natural Area, Pike Creek, Government Canyon State Natural Area, Lake Hills, Bandera Falls, Leon Springs, The Dominion, Gray Forest, San Geronimo, Scenic Oaks, Lake Medina Shores, and Cascade Caverns. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The current time is 1:52 a.m. Central Daylight Time.